So another trick that I like to do is using the Ohora system with regular nail stickers. I've tried other ones before, but these Dashing Diva ones I feel like are the best that I've tried. This one came from Korea. It's Dashing Diva and Innisfree, but I think all the Dashing Diva stickers are kind of the same stickiness and texture. I feel like these last even longer because it's a little bit thinner, so there's less hair snagging, like right at the cuticle. And then I do 2 coats of the top coat, and that makes it thick enough where it's hard, but it's not going to crack or get too thick. So I've already prepped my nails, filed them. I pushed back my cuticles with this dual-ended stick that I just got. It's so good. I totally recommend. So I pushed down my cuticles with that side, and on the other side there's a silicone tip that you can actually use to push down on the cuticle edge of the gel strips without ruining it. And it's perfect because it's soft but firm enough to do the job. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the stickers the usual way that I do it. Cut it in half and use both sides. So I use a total of 5 stickers. I'm gonna fast forward through this part and come back later. So I've got the stickers on. I'm pushing them down really well, getting out all the air bubbles and getting them really close to the cuticle. I filed it all down instead of cutting it because with the stickers you can't have any hanging over the edge. And that's what used to really bug me about the stickers. Like, it takes so long to file it all down and then it used to come off in one day. So with the Ohora top coat, it really makes it last a long time. Especially if you're like a busy mom or you cook and clean and wash dishes and do crafts. The top coat totally helps. So now I'm just going to apply the top coat, 2 layers. I'm also going to cap the edge like usual, and I'm going to fast forward and come back. So I just finished the second cure on the second coat. Everything looked good. It was just a little bit sticky in the crevice. So I did the second cure just to make sure everything got hardened. It was just, the tiniest bit sticky. So sometimes you angle your hand up toward the light and that gets right in there. But other than that, it looks good. It's smooth, shiny. Sometimes I get a file and go around the edges if it's not smooth. But this manicure with the stickers will last pretty much the same amount of time as the regular Ohora, 7 to 10 days with less hair snagging. Yeah, I really like it, and it's half the price, and you can get get it from Target.